South Cotabato Governor Reynaldo Tamayo Jr. is in isolation. He's not infected with COVID-19. Tamayo's youngest son, however, tested positive for the virus. 7-year-old 30 is in an isolation facility in Tupi, South Cotabato, and his father needs to be with him. The governor is aware he could get infected with COVID-19 by being with his son. His son is used to sleeping with him and his wife. Because of this, Tamayo postponed his second State of the Province address. He assured, however, that the normal operations of his office will continue with the help of other elected provincial officials.
Thank you for watching Politica TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.